Looking for the best way to protect yourself on the road? Look no further than dash cams. These nifty devices offer peace of mind by recording your journey and providing evidence in case of accidents or disputes. With a wide range of features like high-definition video quality, GPS tracking, and automatic incident detection, dash cams are a must-have for any driver. In this guide, we'll explore the top-rated dash cams on the market, helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. If you want to know the product price, performance, or detailed use information, all of the links find description below. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First I have Miden S7. Looking for a reliable dash cam that won't break the bank? Meet the Miden S7, a feature-packed solution that delivers where it counts. Equipped with a 2.5K plus 1080p FHD dual recording setup, the Miden S7 ensures you capture all the crucial details on the road. Its wide-angle lenses provide a 336-degree field of view, giving you a comprehensive recording of your surroundings. The 3.2-inch IPS screen offers crystal-clear playback and easy navigation through menus. Plus, the aluminum alloy case not only adds a premium feel, but also ensures excellent heat dissipation. Thanks to its evidence preservation feature and cyclic recording, you never have to worry about running out of storage space. The 3-axis G-sensor automatically saves and locks videos in the event of a collision, while the parking monitor provides 24-hour protection for your vehicle. What sets the Miden S7 apart is its splendid night vision, f1.5 aperture, and WDR technology, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. With a free USB reader and a 64GB SD card included, the Miden S7 offers the best cost-effective solution in its class. The Miden S7 is a top choice for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich dashcam without breaking the bank. Next, I have ROVE R2. Looking for unparalleled video quality and advanced features in a dashcam? Meet the ROVE R2 4K. With its 4K Ultra HD recording capability, the ROVE R2 4K captures crystal-clear footage, providing unmatched clarity compared to other dashcams. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows you to view and manage your recordings instantly using the ROVE app on your iOS or Android device. You can download 4K videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 6 Mbps and easily share them on social media. The ROVE R2 4K comes with built-in GPS, accurately recording your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with the GPS player. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a built-in supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, and a 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, the ROVE R2 4K ensures you capture every moment on the road. The dashcam supports up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed microSD cards, allowing for ample storage space for your recordings. What we love most about the ROVE R2 4K is its exceptional video quality, advanced features, and hassle-free firmware upgrades via the ROVE app. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line dashcam with unparalleled video quality and advanced features, the ROVE R2 4K is the perfect choice. Next up, Garmin Mini 2. Looking for a small and powerful dashcam? Meet the Garmin Mini 2, your silent witness on the road. With its wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, the Garmin Mini 2 records crisp 1080p video day and night, ensuring you capture every detail. Voice control allows you to operate the camera hands-free, making it easy to save videos, start or stop recordings, and take still pictures while keeping your focus on the road. The parking guard feature provides added security for your parked vehicle, alerting you to any incidents detected while you're away. You can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring using the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. With the Garmin Drive app, you can even connect up to 4 dash cams to get a complete view around your vehicle. The Garmin Mini 2 is designed to withstand harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures, ensuring durability and reliability. What we love most about the Garmin Mini 2 is its compact size and powerful features, making it the perfect companion for any journey. In conclusion, if you're looking for a discreet, reliable, and feature-packed dashcam, the Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice. Now, we present to you REDTIGER Dash Cam. Looking for top-notch video quality and reliable performance in a dash cam? Look no further than the REDTIGER Dash Cam. With its 4K plus and 80p dual recording capability, you won't miss a single detail on the road. With a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 140 degrees, this dash cam reduces blind spots, providing you with a comprehensive view of your surroundings. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its superior night vision, thanks to its ultra-large f1.5 aperture and HDR plus WDR technology. You'll capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, ensuring you have important details when you need them most. The built-in GPS tracks your driving route, real-time speed, and location, providing you with additional evidence in case of an accident. With Wi-Fi and smart app control, managing your recordings is a breeze. Simply connect to the REDTIGER app, and you can view, playback, and edit videos directly from your smartphone. What we love most about the REDTIGER Dash Cam is its reliability and ease of use. It's a top choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dash cam that delivers exceptional performance. It's a great option and highly recommended for you. Finally, introducing our best choice, Vantrue N4. Looking for a reliable dash cam to keep you safe on the road? Meet the Vantrue N4, your ultimate 3-channel guardian angel. With 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording, this cam ensures crystal clear visibility of license plates and road signs. But that's not all. It also comes with a 1440p plus, 1440p front and inside dual recording mode, perfect for rideshare drivers needing to present proof of activities within the vehicle. Equipped with infrared night vision, the N4 captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Plus, with its 24-hour parking mode and motion detection feature, you can rest easy, knowing your vehicle is always protected. The supercapacitor ensures durability in extreme weather conditions, making it ideal for any climate. And with its variable sensitivity G-sensor, the N4 Auto detects collisions and locks footage, serving as a reliable witness in case of accidents. What sets the Vantrue N4 apart is its triple-channel recording capability, offering front, inside, and rear coverage, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want added protection, the Vantrue N4 has you covered. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and all of the product links you can find in the description below. Hope this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.